Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on Motorola Moto E6s. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Firefox. Click on it, select Install. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Here we can customize the browser, so pick a different theme, your toolbar placement. You can sign in to turn on synchronization, switch the privacy settings, read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Here open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.